protein, best choices for protein, fresh, you can have frozen, but fresh is probably better. I go for chicken breast, turkey, beef, any types of lean protein, just good for the body, that's what you need. So fresh is probably the ideal choice, but you can have frozen as well. It's down to preference, but fresh is probably better quality. If you can, try and get organic if you can. But they're the best 4 choices for protein. But I'm going to go on to the next one, which is going to be where the fish is. But next one is what type of fish. I normally have fresh salmon, any types of salmon, but as long as it's plain, no added flavour or roasted, just plain salmon on that one. So that's probably another good source of protein you can have in your diet on that one. Or salmon, mackerel, any types like that will do, as long as it's plain, no added bits onto it. So that's near enough the chicken, turkey and the beef and the fish done fresh. I'm going to go on to the next one. Another source of protein, egg whites. Carton, egg whites, 2 chicks. You can go for free range eggs, which is you get 15 in a pack or 12 pack or 6 pack, the free range. I normally have my egg whites in a carton, but if you want it as free range with the yolk, I normally have 5 with 1 yolk, nothing else. So I add 1 little yolk as my fat, because there's probably got 5 grams of fat for each egg, free range egg. So I don't add too much fats in my diet, so I normally have 5 egg whites with 1 yolk if it's free range. But because I've got the liquid egg whites with no yolk, I've gone for that choice as well. But I'll be going to that aisle anyway on that one. So I normally have this in my morning with my oatmeal. So that's another good choice. Next one is free range egg whites or free range eggs. I've got the egg whites. I'm going to get free range eggs. I normally have these free range eggs, 5. I normally have 5 of these with 1 yolk as well as my breakfast. You can have this or just the carton, so that's another best choice for protein for that one. So anyway, follow me, we're going to the next one. Good source of protein is tuna cans. You can get them in packs. Go for the brine, take the water out, brine, spring water. But I try not to have the sunflower one, the sunflower oil, that's not really good for you. So if you're going to have the 2 best choices, brine and spring water. So I'm going to add that to my basket. For dessert is total 0% beige, which is Greek yogurt. That's probably, as long as it's low fat, not full fat, you can add that in, like I said, with the powder or without the powder, with some almonds, any types of healthy fats, peanut butter. It's a good snack meal, especially at night as well. I normally have to put in my body. So that's the best choice, cottage cheese or Greek yogurt. So I'm going to go on to the next aisle now, so if you follow me. Best choice, cottage cheese, low fat. I normally have this at night time. Best choice, we mixed in with protein powder, healthy fats, teaspoon of almond butter and some raw almonds mixed in. So that's a good slow release protein at night. So I'm going to recommend this with whey protein added in.